Okay, I'm back. I had to switch it. I had to shut it off. And start a new video. So I want to apologize for that. So here we go. The largest truck stop in the whole wide world. All right, here we are. All right, there's the museum. That's closed on Tuesdays, so I wasn't able to give you a tour of the inside. You'll have to come back and do it again another day. Maybe there's something online, who knows. Here I am, starting right off on the wrong thing. And here it is right here. You can go online and shop online at Iowa80.com to get all your Iowa80.com merchandise, gifts, notables, bric-a-brac, you name it. Everything, I guess, except the fuel. All right, let's go. See how far I get here before they tell me to get out. You know, I started that film looking at me, and then I wanted to switch it when I got outside. It didn't let me, so this is the iPhone. They do everything, but they always leave something out. These engineers, these engineers. Here's the gas pumps, and they just have to leave something out. It's just like they just have to. Well, we need to leave it out so when we do the 14 and the 15 and the 16, we can say there's something new. I'm sure they know when they leave stuff out. Here's some of the RV parking over here. Hope they don't get hit by a car. And they got all sorts of restaurants too. Wait till you see all the restaurants they got. 190 trucks. Can you believe it? 190 trucks. Look at them all. They're not all there now, but certainly they're there when they need them. Now this is the Standard Oil I was telling you about. See, this is where it all started. Eisenhower was big with the interstate highway system, and the reason was twofold. It was, look at the prices, huh? Look at that, unbelievable. And this is the Standard Oil. So it was the reason for the interstate highway system was twofold. The government also wanted a seamless way to transport military equipment or emergency gear in case of a problem, and so that's the reason. Iowa 80, world's largest truck stop, Walcott, Iowa. There you go, very nice. So it was twofold, the interstate system, and it's just a remarkable system. I don't think there's a country on the planet with such an extensive north, south, east, and west highway, interstate highway system that just connects the whole country, and just like I'm doing now on my westbound journey. Look at all the trucks. Look at them all. They just keep coming. So here's the main entrance. I'll try to make this is probably going to be an hour. Wait till you see how many. World's largest truck stop, Iowa 80. Now you're just gonna. This might be an hour because you're gonna be amazed. Now this is the vestibule, and these are some facts here I want you to see. There are over 3.5 million truck drivers in the United States. If you got it in a truck, if you got it, a truck bought it. The average long-haul trucker drives 100,000 miles per year. Interstate 80 is the second longest interstate in the U.S. 2,900 miles from Teaneck, New Jersey to San Francisco, California. And there it is. And we're right here, Iowa. So I'm getting there. I went from Long Island to Niagara Falls. Then I went from Niagara Falls to Westminster, to visit my nephew, then back to Washington, D.C. to my sister's house, then to south of D.C. to Woodbridge. And then from there, I went west to the beginning of Front. I forget what it was. And then I went down here for the Blue Ridge Parkway. And then I went to St. Louis, Kentucky, Louisville, Kentucky. And then I'm over here now. So I'm getting there. And the truck is still holding up pretty good. There it is. Iowa 80 truck stop opened in 1964 and has never closed since. Iowa 80. Unbelievable. And this is the Jamboree I was telling you about. Each July since 1979, we celebrate America's truckers. The Truckers Jamboree. I'd like to see that. It's probably doubtful I'm going to be there. And it's just amazing. This is a little bit of the museum that was closed today. So that's too bad. That's the Truckers Museum. Just next door is the Iowa 80 Trucking Museum. Take a trip back in time and learn about the trucks that were used to shape our great nation. Over 100 trucks on display, dating back to 1910, as well as old gas pumps, signs, engines, toy trucks, and other trucking memorabilia. So who can beat that? Look at that. That looks like a picture from the Jamboree. Walcott Truckers Jamboree. Each year in the second week of Iowa 80 celebrates America's trucking by hosting the Walcott Truckers Jamboree. The event started in 1979. What a beautiful day it was too. You even have a place for to walk your dog. We're gonna have to move it along now. I can't wait too long. And we'll get up close to that truck if we can. My pants are falling down because I bought a belt that was too big. All right, let's go inside and see how far we get. Wow. Look at this old truck over here. This is a Ford. There's maps over here. I mean, they just have too much to name. This is the food section over here. This is, I guess, the 7-Eleven type section. And just unbelievable. I hope nobody says anything. I'm trying to, it's not that crowded. They got a game board back there. Pac-Man. They got Wendy's. Taco Bell. Unbelievable. Pizza Hut, Dairy Queen, coffee, bagels. And it just keeps going. Trinkets, bric-a-brac, mugs, shirts, sandals, t-shirts, toys for the kids. I mean, it's phenomenal. It's worth its stop. It's on the same greatness as I think as Buc-ee's. Here's an old Jeep. There's Cousin It. Cousin It was in the military. A lot of people don't realize that. Look at the old Jeep. Look at the truck. Unbelievable. And this is the restaurant in here. And a beautiful restaurant it is. You know, look at this truck. International. I think International got bought by somebody and became another car company that's still around today. Perhaps Chrysler, I don't know. It wasn't Chrysler. It was Pontiac. Okay, Pontiac, whatever you want to say. This is the clothing area. Trying not to look at the knife section. Look at all the knives. Just beautiful. Look at all this. If you stay up late at night on the weekend, sometimes there's a guy on the look at all these knives. Beautiful. There's a guy on the television selling knives. You can get like 140 knives for like a very good price. He has a real thick accent. It's kind of fun to listen to him. It's all clothing over here. Anything you can think of. Look at all the things that they have here. First floor is you got your restrooms, show trucks, movies and music, custom lettering, and souvenir t-shirts. Up on the third floor you have showers, laundry, a barber, a dentist, the library, TV lounge and a movie theater, and a chiropractor when he's in or she's in.
He doesn't like a real tire.
I mean, just look at. I mean, it makes you want to become a trucker. Stop paying rent, and just drive around. Own your own rig. Be your own boss. Make lots of money. You know the kind of money you could save by not renting an apartment or paying a mortgage. Here's one for Ray Dawson. Look at this, Ray. He plays the guitar pretty well, and they even have guitars here, Ray. Because you know when you're a trucker and you know how to strum a guitar, you can do that before you retire for the evening in the back of your cab. Just wonderful. Coolers. You name it. Music selection, in case you want to add to your collection. Unbelievable. Just everything you could think of. I think I'm gonna be okay. Nobody's approached me yet. I mean, it's just sunglasses, you name it. What is this over here? Flashlight, set, pen, all sorts of gadgets. Now this over here is the largest chrome. Yeah, I guess I'll walk over here. This is the largest. Look at the mugs, gloves, t-shirts. There's the embroidery shop over there. You can get your letters and your name put on your stuff. Big Bob, the trucker. And then just unbelievable hats. Get your name on the hat. Landlords, floor mats, stickers, your favorite sports teams. Unbelievable. I'm just gonna go through this mat. Look at all the chrome.
Engineered the twist block air covers to work in a variety of applications, including all tractors and trailers.
You know, anything is here. I was thinking about getting one of these for the truck, but I want a smaller one. You know, this is a nice one. Here's a smaller one. Yeah, maybe a small one would be nice. But this is open 24 hours. Look at all the different hood ornaments you can get for your truck. Is that something unbelievable? Just something else. This is a real Americana, you know? You can't get more Americana than this. I bought some chrome valve stem covers for mine. More for my truck. Look at all the chrome. All sorts of chrome pieces. Just chrome. They're plastic. Chrome plastic is what they are. But those hood ornaments are metal. Look at the big stacks. Big engine. Big engine. Big engine. Look at the lights and the neon. Unbelievable. I'm at 15 minutes now. This is going to be an hour. Look at the horns. You need a horn? You want to blow your own horn? Buy one of these. Blow your own horn. Be like all your friends. Blow your own horn. Pump. Just amazing. Let me get one of those hood ornaments if it's small. I need a small one. I don't want a big one. Look at these. Look at these. Look at the exhaust. Look at all the exhaust. I mean, yeah, you gotta want to be your own boss. You don't have to listen to the foreman. You don't have to listen to the sergeant. You don't have to listen to the secretary. You don't have to listen to anybody. You drive the truck. You pick up the stuff. You pick up the trailer. You drive the truck. Drop it off. Pick up a check. Look at the big fenders. Pick up the stuff. You drive the truck. Pick up a check. Drive the truck. Drop it off. Give them the invoice. Pick up a check. Pick up a check. Pick up a check. Pick up a check. And all of a sudden, you know, you got reserve. You got a nest egg. And you can spend your retirement in an overseas location, perhaps. And just unbelievable. Look at all the hooks. All sorts of hooks. You need a hook? These are the things that tie it down, see? These are the things that tie it down. The chain. All the tie downs. Look at all the tie downs. I don't want to get in anybody's face here. Just unbelievable. Look at all this. All the lights. All the lights. Look at all the lights. Top boxes. Storage. Light kits. Look at all the light kits. And look at this bad boy, huh? Look at this. This is Peterbilt. And there's your hood ornament. Look at that. Look at that. See, yellow looks good sometimes. Yellow is not always a bad thing. This thing is spinning. See the way it's spinning around? And here's a look at the lot. It's a whole different industry. 3.5 million truckers in America. Well, everything's got to get where it needs to go. Look at those smokestacks. I don't know what happened to Bill Moon, but he died prematurely at 59. I don't know what the reason was. Maybe he got one of those terrible diagnoses. I don't know. But he really built an empire here. It's a super truck showroom. Look at the way. This is the thing that the trailer goes on. Look at that. Hook that sucker on there and just go. Back of truck. Yeah, I'm not gonna stand on there. Here's some more stuff. Look at all this chrome. Lights. Light kits. Look at this all. Look at this. All neons. Just amazing. Just look at all the lights, light kits. Look at all the lights. Can you see the lights? Look at the lights. Look at the lights. And I'll step back and show you some photographs that are up on the wall. I got to give these guys a lot of credit. You know, it's one thing driving on the middle of nowhere on the interstate, but when you have to go into a busy city area, and all these cars, they want to cut these people off. They want to get in their way. You know, when I see a big 18-wheeler, I give it all the room in the world. And even if I have to slow down, I'll slow down. I'm not going to speed up. I give them all the right of way. All the right of way. Unbelievable.
Model 8800 Evolution 2 is
Unbelievable. I noticed when I was coming back from Austin, a lot of the truck drivers now are from India. I have a friend who just changed careers and is a trucker now. Lewis. He drives for England. And now, where's the... I missed it. I wanted to show you the steering wheels. Where are the steering wheels? Yeah, it's okay. This is, look at all the knobs for the stick shift. All the knobs. Gas caps. Just unbelievable. Some more shifter knobs. I want to show you the steering wheels. Here's the steering wheels. Look at the steering wheels. Look at the steering wheels. Unbelievable. Maybe I should get a new steering wheel for the truck. Maybe if it makes it back to California, I'll get a new steering wheel. So this is the unbelievable. Look at this. These are nice. These knobs, these really are nice. I don't know if they have them small enough for a truck. Probably too large for my steering wheel, but they're real nice. I've seen some people with those. They're popular with people with mobility issues. But here's your steering wheel cushions. Look at all the steering wheel cushions. License plates. Wow. Maybe I should get a new license plate holder. Kenworth, Peterbilt. More lights. Just amazing. Stationery. I mean, you just name it, they have it here. Air fresheners. You need an air freshener? They got them. All sorts of polishes and treatments and Armor All. You name it. And my pants are falling down. I got to get a better belt. Now look at the size of this rig right here. And there it is. Look at all the trucks. Holy cow. 190. Look at the way they back it in. Look at the way they just back it in. I mean, that's a talent. Look at the size of this rig over here. This is inside the building. Look at the way they back it right in. Look at this truck. This is the trucker entrance. After they park here to the left, they come in this back door. Jeez. Look at this. You think you could drive one of these? Jeez. Unbelievable. Get the seats. You need a new seat. Seats, cushions, back support. Here's your bed mattress for your cab. Look at that beautiful truck. Red really pops on a truck, don't it? Sun, what is that? Sun visors, heat shields. American the Beautiful. Look at this. So this is the area for parts, chrome, and that just about covers it. Look at it. It's the largest selection of truck accessories in one place. Unbelievable. And then over to the left, some speakers, some carriers, Atlas, Road Atlas, sunglasses. All right, let's move along. We'll see how far we can get here. They're just huge. What you do over here, I think, is I think you can reserve your shower. All right, let's go upstairs and see what happens. This place is just huge. And truckers, by and large, are pretty nice individuals, pretty friendly. There's the showroom down there. Oh, some trucks, an old pump. Look at the old pump. Richfield, high octane. And nice chairs. Here's some of the old trucks. I don't know if you can see these with the glare. This is just a sitting area. It looks like a table. This is the library, I guess. Truckers can get out of the truck for a while, stretch their legs. Just a fascinating place. Free Truckers Bible, King James. New Testament Bible. Wow. And this comes around here. And look at this. This is where we were. Just to show you all the different products. This must be the employees' break room, yeah. Training center. I mean, it's a whole thing. It's a whole fascinating thing. And I think I'll spend the night here. I don't think I'll drive anymore since the weather is so poor. It's all vintage. You'll have trouble seeing some of these images because of the glare. Accounting, store manager, purchasing, and private, and just amazing. And I'll just walk it around. So there you have it. There's the steering wheels. See the steering wheels? That's where we were. And I'll just bring it right around. And I think I'm gonna be able to finish this up in less than an hour, maybe. 28 minutes. I wish I could have showed you the museum, but that's okay. You can just imagine. Maybe there's something online. You could Google I-80 museum, and you might be able to get some images off that. Yeah, this must be the library. It's wonderful. Yeah, there's the books. They even have a dentist. Look at this. Dentist, walk-ins welcome. They've thought of everything. So you're on the road and you begin to have a toothache, you can take care of it right here. This is an employee-only laundry room. We got the showers in the theater, the kiosks, driver's lounge, public laundry, restrooms, and chiropractor. This is where they shower. You get a number, they call you, and you can get a shower. Let me walk it around. Just a massive complex. Showers 16 to 24, shower number 15. Well, they're gonna do the floor. I think I'm gonna walk the other way. Hey, sir, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Thanks again for showing me the theater.
Oh, no problem.
Can you show me again? If you don't mind? I just want to see it. see. Yeah, I think he's gonna show me the theater. Unless the lady tells him no. Yeah, she's telling him no. This is the day room. This is the day room. They can watch movies here and unwind. Hi.
Hello.
And the movie theater is not in operation right now, but the gentleman is nice enough.
Are you putting aside like a personal thing, or what are you doing?
Yeah, it's just for me. That's all.
Okay.
Wow. Thanks, sister. Look at the movie theater. This is the movie theater. They even have a movie theater. Thank you so much, sir. Appreciate it. Didn't mean to get you in trouble. And then just come right around here and out. See, there's always see that woman? See, it's a woman. Look at this. Look at this beautiful thing. There's some more pumps here. Okay, that was close, guys. We're still rolling. 31 minutes. Very close. Let's get her downstairs before she comes after me. Hi, sir. Yeah, see, that was the custom chrome shop we were in. And we saw the restaurant. I think that's it. We're just gonna end it here. There's some more things over here. Look at all the pins. Look at all the pins. You name it, they got it. If you like trains, whatever you're into, cars. I should get a bus from my sister Terry. She's an executive at a bus company on Long Island. Look at the Jewish Star. I should get one of those from my Jewish friends. Music and instruments. I should get a guitar for Ray Dawson. Animals and wildlife for Stacy Cash. Dogs and cats for just about everybody. Farm animals. Fish and water animals. Railroad, miscellaneous. There's a Grateful Rolling Stones tongue. Look at this. Unbelievable. National Football League, states and national parks. Holy cow. Armed Forces, United States Air Force. Look at all the United States Air Force. Well, every pin you could think of. Post-World War II military aircraft. Wings, U.S. Air Force. Look at all the wings. A lot of truckers are veterans. They got sick and tired of listening to the sergeant scream at them in the barracks. They said, I'm going to be my own boss. U.S. miscellaneous military, foreign military, World War II aircraft, Blue Angels, Coast Guard, Navy, Marines. Look at the Marines. Thunderbirds, U.S. Marines, military vehicles. Look at the military vehicles. Look at this. Weapons and equipment. Look at this. Bones and bikes. Okay. Aircraft, World War II era. Helicopters. Wings, U.S. Army. I'll tell you a funny story. You know, when I was in the Air Force in the early 1980s in McGuire Air Force Base, New Jersey, the planes were painted like a gray and a white. And even back then, no, what they were is, what were they? They were painted jungle colors, you know? And they were already starting to change the patterns to the desert patterns, which would believe that they knew what was going to happen 20 years, 25 years down the road. The paint jobs started to change on the airplanes before the conflicts kicked in, if that makes any sense. So it used to be a jungle type, and then at the end of Vietnam, they started going to the desert motif. So just very interesting. Was I seeing things? Am I making stories? You can decide for yourself. I saw it. fire, police, fire, EMT. Just unbelievable. Hats. Look at all the hats. There's your bric-a-brac, hobbles, religious items. It just keeps going. Wind chimes. And that's it. I think I'm gonna wrap it up over here. And maybe I'll go outside and wrap it up outside. So let's see if I'll wrap it up outside. So I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed it. There's the Interstate 80. Why is this so dark? Anyway, there's the road sign. This is the front. And I'm gonna wrap it up. 36 minutes and some. I hope you enjoyed the largest truck stop in the world. I hope it's gonna be in 2 parts. The first one I had to stop because I gotta turn the damn camera around. And it wouldn't let me do it. So there it is. I-80. You saw it, you experienced it for yourself. If you're ever on big engine. Look at them, just rolling in. Just rolling in. They just keep coming. Look at them. And it's clean as a whistle inside, as you can see. The laundry facilities, the showers. Before after somebody takes a shower, somebody goes in there and cleans that shower. So every time you use that shower, it's already been sanitized and cleaned. You're not in there after, look at the military equipment. I'm gonna go up here to the corner and you can just see the massive amounts of big rigs. All the food places. I'm gonna go back inside, get a belt that fits, maybe go and get some Dairy Queen or something and just relax. And I'm sure you can find out all about this on the internet. Bill Moon and his wife Carolyn. Here's the food that's inside. There they go, look at it. Look at them, just keep coming in. There's a Harley Davidson truck coming in and stuff. Just a big complex. Wow. Oh, the sun is trying to come out. Big engine. Look at it. Look at that one over there. Look at this farm equipment. You name it, it's being trucked in and trucked out and trucked everywhere. All right, I'm gonna close it out. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I'm gonna go back inside and enjoy it some more.